Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You must act fast. Power down the machine to prevent further writes, because data loss grows with every boot. Once off, prepare a clean recovery drive on another computer, an 8+ GB USB or external SSD, and write a Windows PE or recovery tool image to it so you can boot safely. Make sure to label devices to avoid mistakes. When the media is ready, plug it into the affected PC, enter the firmware boot menu, and boot from the recovery USB to begin non-destructive analysis. Once booted into recovery environment, make a full disk image to an external drive. This preserves the original and lets you retry safely. Use DD or Clonezilla for imaging, then run read-only scans, test disk for partitions, photo rec for file carving, or a trusted commercial tool to locate recoverable files. You should target high-value folders first, like documents and desktop, then media. Make sure to direct recovered files to a different physical drive, because writing to the same disk after recovery, copy files selectively from your recovery drive back to a healthy disk. Do not restore directly onto the damaged volume unless rebuilt. Verify integrity by opening documents, viewing images, and comparing checksums or sizes so you know what's intact. Once satisfied, rebuild or reinstall Windows cleanly and relocate recovered data into their proper folders. If you encounter unreadable sectors or inconsistent file headers, stop further attempts, make an image of the image, and consult a professional data recovery service to avoid losing remaining data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.